Good morning, students. Today we'll continue chapter 2 of probability. So, last class we have discussed about what is the probability regarding its theory we have covered. So, and question number 1 and 2 already we have seen. Today we'll see the question number 3, which is the first question. Write down all the possible outcomes. So, what are the possible outcomes through this? The throw of a coin. If we throw a coin, so what are the possible? So, if you throw the coin, so what is the possibility? Either it can have head and tail. The toss of two coins. Suppose two coins we are tossing. So it means that the chances of in the both coin head, either it can have tail, head or tail and head. So total is there is a four chances and four different combinations are there. The next question number three, the throw of a die. So dice, if you throw, there are numbers are written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are six numbers are written. That's all. That's the possibility. Number four, choosing a day of a week at random. So in a week, as we know, there are 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So out of that, any one day will come out of 7 days. So these are the possible outcomes. So now we'll see the question number 4. The first question that we'll see, question number 4. Question number 4 is that in a in the toss of a coin, find the probability of not getting hit. Correct. Not getting head means if we toss any coins, right? So we have the tossed a coin. So in it, when while we toss a coin, so what are the possible? So it can have the either head or it can have the tail. There are the two possibility, and they are asking in this question. In the question is that the when we toss, it's not the probability of not getting head. Head is the not the your favorable choice. Your choice is tail. Your desired case is tail. So tail is how many time one, and total outcome is two. So this is the probability of getting the head is 1/2. Right. Next question number 5. In a single throw of two coins, find the probability of getting each of the following. Tail on the both means in the question number 5 they are saying that they are they are throwing how many coins? Two coins. So while as we know that when we throw the two coins, what are the possibilities? It can have the head, it can have the head and tail, it can have the tail and head and tail. These are the four possible conditions we have. Correct. So now here, what is the total? Your total event is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the total outcome. Now question number one asked tail on the both. Okay, tail. So where is the tails are there? Here is the tail, here also tail, and sorry, they have asked tail on both, means both the tail. So only the one condition is, so sorry what I have wrote. Yeah, here it should be the tail only. Okay, please correct it. This is a tail and tail, head and head. So what is the where is the possibility? This is the only possible case where the tail and tail. So how many conditions? Such condition is only one. So its answer is 1/4. Number two, as you can see, number two is that tail at least at one. So tail at least one once means how many? One tail, two tail, and at least. So there is how many? Three. There's possible or favorable conditions are three, and total is four. So there is a probability of getting the at least one tail. Next question, tail at one means tail at one. So only when we get this tails at one, just you see that tails. So that is the condition is of 1. So that is the 1/2. Then the question is no tails, only heads are there. So this is the only head. This is the only condition. All the heads means no tails means all the head. So which is your 1 by, that is the condition is, so that is a no tail which is your 1/2. No tails because only the this is the head. So 1/4. Okay. So for the no tails, your answer is 1/4, and for the number 3 tail at 1, which is that is your answer is 1/2. Now next question we will see. The next question, which is your number 6. A coin is tossed 200 times. and tail appears 103 times. If one toss is chosen at random, the probability of getting head and tail. So 200 times it was tossed, and in out of that 103 times was your tail. So first of all we'll solve. So for tail, how many times tail we got? Tail is your 103 times. 103 times is your tail. So how many times will be head? So 200 minus 103. So which will give the 97. So head appears for how many time? 97. And tail appears for how many time? 103. So now we have to find out the probability of getting the head. So head, how much time will get the head? So as you know, total is how many times you have tossed? For 200 times. And the head is for how many? Head is appears for 97. So which is your 97 by 200. Question number 2, which is your question number 2 is asking about the tail. How many times tail? So tail is 103 times. So 103 and divided by 200. So which will give the number of times of tails. Now next question we'll see, which is the number 7. Number 7 is your number 7. Just you see the number 7. A die is thrown. Find the probability of getting 6, number less than 4, number greater than 3, odd numbers, even number. So first of all, we know we should understand the concept of die. So in the die, what is the possible outcome? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the numbers which will come. So total is how much? This is total is 6. So now first answer will give for question number 1. So they're asking getting 6. So how many times 6 appears? One time only out of 6. So that is the answer is 1 by 6. Number 2, a prime number less than 4. A prime number, but it must be less than 4. So prime numbers 2 and 3. These are the two prime numbers. So two prime numbers 3 and 4. Okay, 2 and divided by 6. You can cancel it also. So 1 and 3. So which is your 1 by 3. So total, this is the probability of getting the prime number which is less than 4. Next, number 3, number greater than 3. So how many numbers are greater than 3? These three numbers are greater than 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what is its answer? That is a 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 you can solve, which you will get 1 by 2. Fine. Next question, number 4, an odd number. Who all are the odd number? Odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. Total how many? 3. Out of 6 you can cancel it, you will get 1 by 2. Next, an even prime number. Even prime number, who is the even prime number? You know that very well. Who is the even prime number? Only 2 is that even prime number. 2 is the even prime number, so it means that is the 1 by 6. Correct. So likewise you can do this. So as today we have seen till question number 7, so complete the questions till question number 8. Next questions you can do number 8 and 9. So next class we will see question number 9. After the 9 we will see the some more questions. Okay, thank you.